Bitcoin skyrocketed and destroyed $112,000. This was our previous all-time high. The new one now sits at $118,909, nearly $119,000, guys. Another very important point of data. We've broken this massive resistance level that we've followed all the way back since December of 2017. Guys, this resistance has not broken yet. So if we get a candle to open and close above this level, this will make Bitcoin and cryptocurrency history. This could send Bitcoin flying, but keep in mind, a rejection of this level could very easily send us down to create a new higher low formation before the next bounce. I'm going to talk to you about how you can manage your risk in case you want to bet on a move up, and how to find an ideal candle entry if you're looking for a move down first. Either way, this is going to be a very important video. How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident. As of today, our traders have earned 298 wins and 0 losses over the last 28 months. We're nearly at 300 wins straight, guys, and we're going to be going over those new wins in the next video. So stay tuned, subscribe if you haven't. And as a heads up for our paid members here at tradeconfident.io, we have a brand new future forecast out talking about the final Bitcoin and altcoin surge and how a 40% trap could hit fast. The data that I'm going to show you today is going to be helpful, but this shows high levels of proof that you need to pay close attention to. Welcome to the last phase. The market is about to go bananas. This is nearly an hour worth of time, guys, nearly an hour worth of analysis, deep research, and more from Travis Martin, the founder of Trade Confident himself. So if you want to get access to that crucial data and you're not a member yet, you're going to want to sign up at the links in the description down below for 25% off your first month. Getting started in the analysis, we're trading Bitcoin USD on the weekly time frame with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. We officially broke out of this little bull flag pattern here, and we are seeing major moves up. Based on how a flag pattern works, if we do this, go to the top, bottom of the flagpole to the top of the flagpole, then we copy and paste this line, bring the bottom of this line to the point of breakout, and then we look towards the top of this line. This puts us at a potential breakout to the top of around $145,000. This would be a massive move up, and I need you guys to be ready for that potential. Keep in mind, this is not always accurate, but it is a good guideline to use. And also keep in mind, this took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks to reach the top, nearly 2 months. And this could take nearly as much time, if not more. So that is the bullish scenario. For those of you looking to enter a trade right now, what we'd like to do to manage our risk, and I highly recommend you manage your risk because entering on a pump is highly risky. What we like to do is use the TC top and bottom finder, click show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, and show buy limit 2. We're going to set this to, say, a 20% take profit just to go along with the potential move up all the way to $145,000. Now, keep in mind, I'm going to say this right now. This is not a trade call out. I'm not telling you whether or not you should enter a trade or even look for a 20% profit. This is just to demonstrate our risk management strategy. If you were to make a trade entry, what we like to do is split our investment into 3 equal parts, with the first part going into a market order, second part going to buy limit 1, and the third part going to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set, we then set our take profit just below previous resistance. But now that we've hit an all-time high, there is no previous resistance, so we have to look at patterns like we showed here with the bull flag. Now, if the price increases and hits your take profit, easy money. But if the price drops below buy limit 1 or 2, it's going to double and then triple your original investment. And each buy limit hit will drop your break even, bringing you into profit faster. All of this serves to massively increase your profit potential. And each buy limit hit, you're going to want to drop your take profit to the same percentage above your new break even as it was above the market order. So let's say buy limit 1 drops your break even here. Your new take profit will be right about this level. sitting around $125,000 rather than $141,000. So traders that make this move would make profit, the same 20% profit, actually more because they'd have more money in because of a buy limit than they would have from the original market order. This is why our trading strategy is so powerful. Guys, the entry strategy, buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low, that I'll talk to you about in just a minute, earns about a 70% win rate. But using this risk management is how we've managed to earn 298 wins with 0 losses. So check it out. This is your risk management if you decide to enter a trade. But for those of you that don't want to risk it and would rather wait for a potential entry, instead, on the weekly time frame, we're looking for 3 specific signals. We want to see a buy or strong buy signal. A strong buy looks like this, purple right here. We want to see a buy or strong buy signal. We want to see price versus one money flow low, and we want to see trades in favor low. A buy or strong buy signal means you've likely found an ideal candle entry. Price versus one money flow low means whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in. And if you're new to the crypto market, whales are the market makers. What they do dictates what happens in the crypto market. So if they begin buying, indicated by this green line increasing, this should pump the price. From there, trades in favor low means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Each of these 3 indicators signals are bullish on their own, but combined to create the bullish trifecta, and most often it's going to send the price flying. Right here, this pumps the price 84%. Over here, this pumps the price up to the current point 42%. These are not signals you want to mess around with, especially on the weekly time frame. So if you're expecting a potential drop and you'd rather wait for that to happen, these are the entry signals we're using. And using these indicators, we can actually set some alerts. Head over to the alerts tab, click create alert, switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump, once per bar close, and click create. Next alert is going to be under the TC top and bottom finder. Keep it at a buy signal, once per bar close, click create. Last alert, TC top and bottom finder again. This time it'll be a strong buy, once per bar close, and click create. These 3 alerts are going to help you find that bullish trifecta. Watch for pump alert means that the trades in favor has closed in the long trade zone. Downwards momentum has run out and you're likely to bounce to the upside. A buy or strong buy alert means you've seen a buy or strong buy signal on your chart, and this may be an ideal candle entry. If any of these 3 alerts post, be sure to check to see if you have or are close to creating that bullish trifecta, and if you see that, it could be an ideal time to enter, especially on the weekly time frame. Using this exact same strategy, if we head to the profits tab, this trader earned 103% in 34 days. This trader turned $2,000 into $10,000 in a month. This trader earned 5%. This trader 3 times their portfolio in 30 days, covered their member dues for the year. This trader was up 46.9%. Absolutely insane what our traders are able to accomplish. And if you want to do the same thing, being ready for whatever happens next in the crypto market, you need to have these indicators loaded up on your chart. With that in mind, members get access to these indicators for an insane $550 discount, and that's on top of money-making benefits like the future forecast episodes, trade setups, metrics across 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. What you're going to want to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. Membership is the first link. Click that. It'll bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. Less than $50 to get started. And once you've signed up, and you're going to head to the indicator tab, and we're going to be looking at the pro indicator pack first. With $50, less than $50 to get started, you're saving $150 right off the bat. That is already 3 times your investment. Click that link, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. It's going to offer you the TC top and bottom finder for $400 off, giving you that full $550 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts, and we're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership for today's brand new future forecast episode. Don't miss out.